Hello and welcome to the XQCPA channel, where we share with you the latest and greatest tax tips and business news. Today, our topic is vital, especially for those who have been making donations to nonprofit organizations. Charitable contributions are great ways to help minimize your tax obligation. You donate items or money, help out a great cause or community, and pay less taxes. However, the IRS has strict regulations on what actually counts as a charitable contribution, and many taxpayers may find that their donation is invalid for deduction purposes. What counts as a deductible charitable contribution? Cash and non-cash donations both count towards your tax deduction, but only if donated through proper IRS-approved channels. In order to have your contribution deduction validated, it must be done through a qualified organization, such as a 501c3. Your contribution must be recorded, so be sure to write down the name of the organization, the amount of the contribution, and the date contributed. Oftentimes, qualified organizations will issue a receipt with this information to you. Deducting these contributions is done by filing out Schedule A on your 1040 individual tax return. If your contribution is a non-cash item exceeding a value of $500, you must fill out Form 8283 in addition to your tax return. If your value is greater than $5,000, you must also obtain and attach a qualified appraisal to justify the value of your contribution. If you receive something in return for your donation, such as a good or service, you can only deduct the amount which exceeds the fair market value of the good or service received. So say your contribution gains you entry into the gala dinner. When you record your contribution on your tax return, you need to calculate the difference between your contribution and the price of the dinner as if you pay for it yourself, and then deduct the amount left over. What does not count as a deductible charitable contribution? We occasionally notice our clients trying to deduct cash they contributed towards GoFundMe campaigns. Unfortunately, these kinds of contributions are not allowed under the IRS guidelines due to community funding sites like GoFundMe not being a qualified 501c3 nonprofit organization. Gifts to individuals are also not allowed for the same reason. We understand that navigating these IRS rules can be confusing, so we recommend that you work with a tax professional when claiming your charitable contribution deductions. Moreover, the deadline for the 1040 extension filing date is rapidly approaching, so if you have not completed and filed your tax return, reach out to us at XQCPA to guide you. We dedicate ourselves to making sure your taxes are correct, filed on time, and paid on time, all while helping you make the most of your deductions, including charitable contributions. We have easy online booking for your convenience, or if you prefer, simply give us a call at 832-295-3353. We are here to help. As always, we will appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can continue to make great content for you. We will see you in our next video. Goodbye.